is question 3.4. So this one is to tick the box X and 1 Y to show what note should be next, given our scale that's been named in the question. So A major, again, if you want to look back to question 3.1, we talked about Father Charles Goes Down and Ends Battle and how that helps us to figure out what sharps are in our scales if we're not sure. But this one has 3 sharps. We're looking at F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, okay? And we know that because if we go 1 semitone up from G, we land on A. So now we know that A major has these 3 sharps, and we always use this order because it follows the sentence Father Charles Goes, and so we know we're correct. Okay, so starting on the A, and our next note down is the G sharp, and then we're missing something here from X, so we've been given some options here on the X line, and we need to figure out what is the correct option for that. Okay, so if we're in the scale of A major, we should have our 3 sharps, and our next one should be an F, so our F sharp is the next one we're going to tick there. Okay, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, and our next note should be a B and a B natural. So question 3.5, which clef would be correct to do this scale? So it's a process of elimination. You can start and say, okay, it looks like if we were taking this as the treble clef, it would be a B flat. So what minor scale would that be? B flat minor. It's related to D flat major. So you're expecting B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. And because it's a minor, we have to remember our raised 6th or 7th. We don't know whether it's harmonic or melodic yet. So let's just see what we could have. If we're starting on B, our 6th and 7th would be G. So it could be a G natural or an A natural. So if we're starting on the treble, got B, C, D, E, F, G, A natural, and B flat. So yes, it could very possibly be that it's a B flat, that one. So our first option here makes the most sense for us. So it is going to be the treble clef. Our next one along then, our options for the treble, let's see if it was a treble, it would be starting on a C. So C minor would be related to E flat major. So we're expecting flats and there's sharps in this one, so it's not going to be the treble. Our next option along is the bass, which would mean that this is an E. So it could be our minor, E minor scale, which would mean that it would be related to G, so F sharp and a D sharp. And with E, D, C, B, we have a B sharp, A, G, F sharp, E. So that throws that one out. Okay, so it's not going to be the bass clef there. Our next one is the alto. So if we have the alto clef, that's our middle C here. So that would be an octave above that. So it's starting on a D. So that would be D minor. D minor is related to F major. Again, F major is a flat key, not a sharp key, so it's not going to be that. And then our last one is the tenor clef. So again, that places our C here. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So that would be a B there. It would be B minor, which would be related to D major. B, A sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, and B. It is actually our tenor clef. So the correct option there for that one. The last one then, if we think of it as in the treble clef, this would be a D. D minor would be related to F major, so D, E, F, there wouldn't be an F flat, so it's not going to be that. A bass clef, this would mean that would be an F. Have an F, G, A flat, B flat, C. We could have a D flat or an E flat here, but because they're minor, yeah, so it's the bass clef for that one. Let's just rule out the other ones. So our other option is the alto clef, and if it was alto, there would be our C, C, B, A, G, F, E, so it would be an E minor, which is related to G major, so that's a sharp key, so we know that's wrong. And then the alto, the tenor clef here, places our middle C here, and so that would be a C, so C minor. It is a flat key. C, D, E flat, F, there wouldn't be an F flat in it. C minor is related to E flat major, 3 flats, B, E, A. You're looking at the bass clef, we're correct with that one.